This is Carrie Kendall. I am doing an article for 1,000 Veils on my blog, and I've been researching the Vedic model of cosmology, or the flat earth theory, because there are just too many contradictions and ridiculous bullshit with the global theory that I cannot ignore it anymore. Now, some people say that Carl Sagan has proven in his little video that the Earth is indeed a sphere because he does this experiment. Now, I'm going to let you watch this little experiment.
But it's in error, but it's an absolutely straightforward observation. Why would anyone lie on such a trivial matter?
Why would anyone lie?
Eratosthenes asked himself how it could be that at the same moment, a stick in Syene would cast no shadow, and a stick in Alexandria, 800 kilometers to the north, would cast a very definite shadow. Here's a map.
You simple-minded people, here's a map for you.
I've inserted two sticks, or obelisks. One up here in Alexandria, and one down here in Syene. Now, if at a certain moment, each stick casts no shadow at all, that's perfectly easy to understand, provided the Earth is flat.
Provided the sun is directly overhead.
The shadow at Syene is at a certain length, and the shadow at Alexandria is the same length, that also makes sense.
Provided the sun is in exactly the same place between the two.
How could it be, Eratosthenes asked, that at the same instant, there was no shadow at Syene, and a very substantial shadow at Alexandria?
Okay, I'm going to stop you right there, Carl, because what you're saying is that because the sun is so far away, that's why the Earth has to be curved. But in fact, if the sun is close, you do not have to have a curved surface to prove your point, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, right here we have our disk, which is the Earth, and we have the sun shining. Okay, when you have a close light source like this, as you can see, you can have no shadow on one and yet a shadow on the other. And the theory of the flat earth theory is that the sun moves around the disk like this, and you can see how the shadows have different lengths and shine in different or cast in different directions depending on where the sun is. That's the whole model of the flat earth theory. So Carl Sagan has done nothing to prove that the Earth is a sphere, and this pisses me off because now I'm starting to think I'm smarter than Carl Sagan, and that's messed up.